what have we got? Now we have, now you're going to have to help me with that. Is that TESMEN or is it TESMEN? Or what is it? What it is an EMF meter, the Hound 200. 3-in-1, MF, EF, and RF. Radio frequency, electromagnetic interference, and MF, don't know. 3-axis mode, peak measurement, visual and audible alarm, large and clear screen, and this one is the blue one. It's always a good sign when you have a nice case like that. It comes good. Because you know that, they thought highly enough of their product to put it in a case. There we go. The manual is hella thick. I think that's how it would have been described back in the day. English, 15 pages per language. English, Dutch, French, Italian, Spanish, and I'm going to go with Chinese. Okay. This is going to be one of those things. Operating precautions. Let's see, I'm going to flip through and find something interesting to talk about here. This is going to be good for somebody who, you got bad reception or your Wi-Fi is not working properly in one area of the house. You want to know why. Whether it's a bad placement of your wireless, your wireless router, or if there's something in that area that's interfering with the signals themselves. Comes with 3 Duracell batteries. So they didn't cheap out on that, which is always a nice sign. And then you've got the device itself, which is in there, in that case, pretty good. And it is blue. It looks purple on the camera, but it's blue in real life. And of course, the battery hatch is on the back here. Batteries go in there. Am I gonna put batteries in this? Am I gonna? All right, let's do it. And we push the on button. And of course it's too bright to see the display. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. There's an angle. Let's see what it does if I bring my watch nearby. Nothing. So we're safe from EMF right here, where I'm at. Kind of an interesting, you could turn off that ticking noise. Let's put it over by the... And when I put it over by the computer, it goes up to 0.6 peak. And over here it's 0.2. The lights register 0.19 or 1.9. But it's all in the green. Function button. Okay, there's your RF. Let's see. Again. With the watch. Nope. Yeah, over by the computer it went up to 0.26, but it's not. So there's your magnet. Okay, I'm saying, yeah, magnetic radiation, and then you've got your, electromagnetic interference, none here, and your radio frequency there. Kind of a cool little device, and